Just One You, written by Lillian Jean. Yep, it's Cook Cook. Ready? This is a story that's all about you and all the spectacular things that you do. So please come along and we'll show you it's true. There's just one and only wonderful you. Look all around and here's what you'll find. You are unique. You're one of a kind. The smile on your face is like no smile I've seen. You're one special person, if you know what I mean. Your mind's full of magic to thrill and delight. Even on dark days, you make the world bright. No job is too big, no task is too small. No matter what comes, you tackle it all. You're strong and you're brave. You're a grand superhero. You give 100% and you never give 0. You dance and you dream from dusk until dawn. Don't ever stop trying. We'll cheer you on. Your adventures may take you away from your home, but your best friends will be there wherever you roam. Everyone knows how terrific you are. We've always been sure that you will go far. Because even if something doesn't go quite your way, you will turn things around the very next day. You're perfect as you. There's no one who's better. So be true to yourself and always remember. There is just one you. No other person does the things that you do. Yes, it's absolutely, positively true. There's just one and only wonderful you. The end.
I know one, Mommy.
Good job.